Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a payment link on Wise. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Wise account, and then here on the left hand panel you can click on payments. You get this drop down, click on payment links, and then you'll be redirected here. And what you need to do is just click on create a payment link, and then you enter the amount, okay, that you want, and the currency as well. So enter the amount, let's say $100, and you can enter your product or service here. This is completely optional. If you want, you can limit this to only one payment. You toggle this one on, and then here you can choose your payment methods. So you can go ahead and receive money through Wise. You can also accept payments by Visa and MasterCard. You can go ahead and enable that. You need to join the wait list for that. And if you want, you can also toggle on bank transfers for both domestic and international bank payments regarding that specific currency. And then just come here, click on save, and then click on create. And then you get your link that you can go ahead and copy and share with people. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.